Hi, buddy. Are you playing? You're doing a good job. You're playing all by yourself there? Are you gonna scratch, huh? Don't scratch. I'm too far away from you to stop you right away, okay? No, I'm just sitting here. Don't scratch. Guys! Look at you jumping so much. Don't jump too much. You'll get too tired, okay? What's today, baby? December 9. That means you're 2 weeks away from being 6 months old. You're a big boy. Where did we go today? Mommy worked in the morning. And then Grandma and you and me went to the mall. Do you like the mall, huh? Logan. 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 Hi. Look at you bouncing so much. Logan. Uh-oh, why did it get dark? Logan, say hi to everybody. Hi. Logan. Hi. Hi. Wave to Mommy. Hi. 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 You want to do high five? Are you going to do it for the camera? Oh, you jumped so much. Whoa, whoa, whoa. High five, high five. High five. High five. Good job. Good job, buddy boy. Okay, let's back up because some people can see you. Oh, I know. Hello. Hi. Logan. Logan. Look at your feet. What are you doing with your feet? Play the music. Play it here in the center. Wow. Wow. Hey, baby. Oh my goodness. Look at your feet. Dance, dance, dance. Dance. Wow, you're actually jumping off the ground. Okay, say goodbye. Oh, are you getting frustrated? Did you jump too much? Oh, you like that toy, huh? Okay, see you later. Say bye-bye. Mommy gets you. Bye-bye.